When you have OCD, your brain does something that other brains do too. The problem is it assigns a little alarm bell to the fact your brain does it. When you're anxious, your brain goes hunting for threats. What possible reason do I have to feel anxious? And it's going to land on something. If you have OCD, you're going to find it lands on a theme over and over again. It can take a very neutral set of events, and OCD will tell a story about how this fits in with the theme of your OCD. Here's the thing all brains do. Your brain is designed to run through possible future outcomes. And when you're anxious, your brain does this in overdrive. What does this mean? And it runs through options from highly likely to highly unlikely. When you have OCD, the fact your brain does that often gets tagged with, why did you even think that? The fact you think that means that what you're worried about is more likely to be true, because why did you even think it? You probably thought it because your brain was doing what every other brain's designed to do, which is future predict by thinking about all the possible outcomes and weigh them up in terms of how likely it is. When you have OCD, you mix up probability and possibility. The fact that it's possible gets mistaken with how probable it is, and so your risk assessment goes out the window. Before you know it, there's a big old story that goes around how the set of events means something bad, or the fact your brain thought that means something bad about you, and that stresses you out and that makes you anxious. And that's where the neutralizers come in. You're really anxious, do something about this, and you do something. Because of how your brain's working under that high level of stress, when you do something, your brain goes, great, well I did that and it kind of worked for a little bit, so good enough. And it builds and builds and builds. But here's the thing. Brains are designed to run through possible outcomes. With a lot of OCD, the fact that your brain thought it gets mixed up with some sort of reasoning behind it. And when for the most part, your brain's just doing what it's designed to do. It's just anxiety's amping it all up and making it hard to risk assess. Just something to think about. Okay.